Second question. All right, we're reading from page 590 of the Fluidal Forces book. Okay, we're now on question. Let's see here. Does that then occur consciously or more unconsciously when the whole thing happens via the impulses from the storage banks? Answer. The process of the connection to the storage banks and the withdrawal of the impulses from them occur fully unconsciously and subconsciously. A conscious connection to the storage banks and a conscious retrieval of the impulses is only then possible for the human being when he or she has reached a high spiritual and consciousness based evolution state, which does not yet apply to today's human beings of the earth. Still, 2 to 3 thousand years will pass before a few individual earth human beings will become capable of consciously bringing forth connections to the storage banks and consciously withdrawing information from them, provided that the consciousness based evolution does not suddenly stagnate, but rather continues and expands immensely within the framework existing today. Mhm. Okay, shall I continue?
You want to talk about it para habang nagdi-discussion kayong dalawa ni Kuya Ray, sineset up ko yung the next pages. You want to explain, Kuya?
I have nothing to say. Unless may tanong kayo na baka sakali ma-i-address.
Well, that's why, like people like it's more really a rarity, is what's being spoken of here, like the case of Casey.
Okay. Okay.
Huh?
Okay, thank you then. Okay, bye-bye. Sorry.
Yes. Exceptional yun eh.
Yeah. So
Pero marami na rin yun eh, yung available na may capacity. Well, I'm talking about the mediums,
yeah, the spiritists. Yeah. That's
Out of
right.
a,
There are cases.
3 out of a million. So, kung 10 million, 10 billion na, 100 million yun, marami-rami na rin yun, 30 people na rin yun, 300 people na rin yun.
Mhm.
So, kung 2 to 3,000 years pa, hindi na matagal yun. Hindi na matagal yun. Sandali na lang yun. Kung kung 3,000 divided by 200 is 60 lifetimes. Pwede na yun. Ngayon hindi pala. Tama. Kung average of 18. 60 lifetimes, madali na lang yun.
Mhm.
Isa tayo ron sa magiging recipient nun later on. I mean, yung ating CE. Pag na-reincarnate ba naman tayo, hindi ganun din ang baksak.
Yep. That's why it's good to work on our creational energy consciousness.
Yes.
Yeah. May we all remember what we're learning this time.
Ay,
Hey,
babalita.
stop that. Bowie, stop.
Tayo lang naman ang nandito, hindi naman siguro pagyayabang
Stop.
ng Cynthia and Chor.
Oh.
Meron akong ipinost na kanta coming out of my poem. Nasa Malaya yung isa. So if you care to talk about it, kasi doon nabanggit yung progress, yung evolution. So given the chance, pakinggan ninyo. In music, set into music.
Oh, welcome. So it looks like yeah, we got more people showed up. Yay! Yeah, we were just discussing here.
Okay, let's
Oops.
continue.
Mhm.
Naka-set up na ang 5-page.
Great. Thank you so much, our IT expert, Zor.
Yeah. Okay, let's
Yeah,
continue. Let's continue the reading.
Yeah. Okay. So, yeah. So basically, we're saying that there's still just a handful of people who are able to access the storage banks for information, and so that's more rarity than common. Okay. The next question. Oops. Uh oh. What happened? Oh, there. Something that. Oh, I pressed the wrong thing. All right. With regard to the mental fluidal powers, once again, something must be asked. If a human being can still mobilize formerly stored mental fluidal powers from a skeleton, is that only then somehow meaningful if there are still things that must be worked out from the life of this currently living personality? Answer: it is right that the new currently living personality can benefit from the formerly stored mental fluidal energies and fluidal powers, and indeed with regard to a further development of the entire mental block. That can happen unconsciously or subconsciously, as well as consciously in special cases. Therefore, it is meaningful in every case if formerly stored fluidal energies and their powers can be mobilized, which normally also happens unconsciously or subconsciously in the life of every currently living personality, through which a further evolution of the mental block occurs. Okay. I think, is there? Okay, that's another. All right. Wait a minute. We need another page. Whoops. Oh,
I thought you're going to discuss it, so
okay. Let's see. Well, it seems self-explanatory. I don't know. Does anyone have a question they'd like to raise, or maybe something they'd like to share?
you want to share something, JS? Okay. None.
Anyone else there? Um. Okay. We're on page 592. Question. Also consciously? Answer: that can only then occur consciously when the human being has progressed far enough spiritually and in a consciousness based manner with regard to the evolution which, however, would only be the case in 2 or 3 thousand years with a few Earth human beings. If no stagnation occurs and the evolution process continues in the present framework, if one can bring forth a connection into the past on a conscious basis, then one can practice that consciously. Uh-huh. Well, you know what? Like, you should also try to think about your own life right now. I mean, what are your earliest memories of this particular personality? Do you can you do you all recall what your earliest um experiences are? Can you recall consciously what your earliest memories are? You know, I find that fascinating. That's what I'd like to ask that's what I'd like to ask my nephews and nieces, grand nephews and nieces. Those are the questions, especially if they are able to already communicate to some degree. I would ask them questions like that. Do you know or remember what are your earliest uh, memories? Because it's funny, but I remember as a child. Uh, Oops, what is this? Oh, wait, it's telling me about my. Oh, there we go. Yeah, telling me about. Did everyone hear what I just said? I don't know. I'm having some pressing the wrong buttons here for the um volume. Anyway, I was just saying that I remember as a child that I guess like the adults around me, I guess they think they don't really bother interacting as much with, I guess, children. I guess because somehow in our culture, they're seen but not heard, right? So anyway, I had a lot of thoughts as a child, and so now as an adult, I I sort of regard even my grand nephews and nieces. I don't know how old they are, like in spirit years or creational energy years. So I it would be nice to know if they do recall, what their earliest memories are, this life or even who knows in the past. So anyway, those are just thoughts that enter my head, and
I
yeah.
recall coming across from the materials that on a on a very early stage of life, children can
Oh,
than
you're breaking.
than when they grow old.
Yeah.
Uh, but then again, those memories fade away
Yes.
soon enough. So I don't know what age is the
I think 9 years old, nawawala na sa kanila yung ano.
9 years old. Yeah,
Yeah,
pwede.
parang
Ah,
something na gano'n. Pero dito
parang
kasi sa question sa 592 na 'to, 'di ba ang parang dinidiscuss dito is kung highly evoluted na yung spiritual na yun, yung consciousness, kahit ilang daan pang taon, 2 to 3,000 years pa ang dumaan, kung wala rin lang stagnation na nangyari, kanya na madali nilang nakukuha ko. Ito kung yung mga spiritually ano na ha, progressive na ano na mga kalagayan.
Yes.
Ito,
Yes.
itong part na to,
Ayan,
yung
sige.
kinukwento dito, yung nare-retrieve mo subconsciously, oo, yung sa impulse na yun, as when you react to things or ideas. For example, keeping up with the Jones. Meron kang kapitbahay na kahit anong pasikat noon, yung kapitbahay mo napapansin mo, hindi siya affected. Kahit anong inuman ang nangyayari, wala siyang binabanggit. Samantalang yung iba, may kaunting inggit. Yun yung mga impulses na yan sa akin, ha? Sa akin, gano'n. Inggit, inis. Kailangan mapaglampasan yon mga bagay na yun. Siyempre mataas na ang wisdom mo or uh, spiritual evolution
learned,
mo.
learned from it. You've learned from your experiences before.
Hello?
Wisdom. I'm sorry, naka-open pala ako. Sorry. Go ahead, Delbert. Sorry.
Yes, yung sa level natin, usually ang re-retrieve natin via subconsciously sa mga buto or sa storage bank is the way you react to things or situation or ideas. For example, best friend mo may sinabi ng regular friend mo na, uy, sabi ng best friend mo, ganito ka raw. Kung may nalagpasan ka na, you wouldn't mind. Or pag hindi mo pa rin na-overcome yun, marami kang pwedeng reaction. Pwede mong puntahan yung kay best friend mo na, ba't mo nasabi ng ganun? Best friend tayo, ganito, ganyan. Or, magagalit ka, magtatampo ka na ilang araw. Usually mga ganong klaseng reaction and essences ang mariretrieve mo dun sa previous personalities na kailangan i-work out pa yung mga ganyang klaseng level ng evolution. Kasi kung iisipin mo, meron talagang part doon sa abstract ideas na once na bigla mo lang inisip, meron kang immediate emotional reaction and it becomes a thought. And pag hindi mo minsan na control, nagiging i-voice out mo yon. Imbis manahimik ka, either nagdadakdak ka or sabihin mo na I feel bad for our friendship, ganito ganyan. Hindi ka galit pero tawag dito, hindi ka komportable, something mga ganong bagay. Para sa akin mga ganong bagay yung pinag-usapan dito. Kasi kung consciously ma-retrieve mo yung mga ganong na-achieve ng mga personality na which is I think average of kung kasama stagnation is 4,000 to 6,000 years from now, hindi pa mangyayari sa atin yun na automatically maramdaman mo para bang pag may nakarating sa yung sitwasyon at kailangan mo mag-isip, um, para bang pag ni-retrieve mo yung consciously, para bang may sabay na 10 echo na para-pareho ang kasi medyo mataas ng evolution mo. Yun yung majority na pumasok sa iyo na best na magiging reaction or isipin mo or para maging emotion mo o i-voice out mo. Kasi sa mga naka-personality, nag-graduate ka na doon. So medyo gamay mo na yon. It's no big deal anymore. Pwede mong palipasin ng ilang araw. Then kung walang magtatanong, di ka magsasalita. Or after a few days, may nagtatanong. Or after 1 week, merong gathering. Ano nga palang masabi mo dun sa ganitong issue, di ba? Naaalala mo last week. And then, pwede kang magsalita in a way na gawa ng consciously highly evolved ka na. Positive neutral lies na yung and equalize yung sagot mo. Iingatan mo na yung negative o positive opinion mo. Papakita mo na lang yung general idea and the best general reaction for the benefit of all. Yun lang, thank you.
bothered ako nung word na degenerate. Ini-equate ko yun sa meron nang narating pero magba-backslide pa. Meron nang natutuhan, meron nang wisdom, pero pwede pang maulit ang
Yes
hindi pa.
po. Pag ang environment highly crowded o mataas ang density ng mga tawag dito, ang lahat ng mga vibrations nila ay mga negative. Lahat ng objects sa paligid, kay hayop, kay halaman, affected yun. Either mas-stun ang growth nila, mas-stun ang evolution nila, or maging stagnant lang. Di naman siguro, di naman
Walang
siguro,
backsliding.
meron, ang alam kong magba-backslide is yung physical part eh. So yung present body mo, madali siyang gawa ng masyadong toxic or mataas yung radiation ng negativity. So reaction ng body mo is mabilis hapuan ng ramdaman or tawag dito. Hindi niya maitaguyod kaagad yung placebo effect na konting isip lang, konting timbre lang, tawag dito, back and jumping again. Ang nangyayari ay lalong nadidepress, umiiksi ang buhay to the point na yung evolution niya physically, umiiksi yung edad niya. So isa yon. And then dun sa vibration na yon, sa spiritual evolution mo, pwedeng mangyayari nag-absorb ka ng mga positive things and maraming negative things. Pero yung pagbigay pansin mo para dun sa evolution, spiritual evolution mo, hindi siya halos makahakbang-hakbang. Para siyang hinihilap para nakatayo lang or para bang rubber band na pipilit niyang ipo-forward spiritually. Pero sa dami ng ano bang term doon? Sa dami ng ingay sa paligid niya, lahat yun coarse material frequency at saka fine energies. Ano ba tawag din? Yung
Swinging
di
waves.
marinig masyado yung dapat pakinggan. So nagiging either stagnant or hindi siya gumagawa ng hakbang para makawala siya doon. Na-stay
Ganun ba yung experience ni Billy nung pumasok sa isang simbahan na halos mamatay-matay siya dahil sa negative singing waves na available doon, na ipon doon? Ganun ba yun? Yung ba yung tono ng sinasabi mo?
iba pa yon. Yung kay Billy, bombardment yon. Ibig sabihin, na-focus yung tawag dito, mga fluidal energies doon, nagiging swinging waves, negative, papunta doon sa personality na dinadala niya. So, ramdam niya yung ano, kumbaga, kung sinisipong ka, binughahan ka ng gadram na utot, hindi mo maramdaman yun kasi tawag dito, wala ka doon sa ano na yun, na meron kang may nakahadlang eh. So, hindi mo naamoy yung tawag dito, yung gas, yung methane. Pero kung pagpasok mo doon, makinis ang katawan mo, binugahan ka ng gadram na utot, ramdam mo yun. Although hindi mo
Okay.
nakikita yon, pero pag nung maamoy mo at maramdaman mo, talagang aatras ka.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
or
So,
like, and but I think I remember they were saying that some Pleiadians is why they can't stand also being around like the
yes.
usual level of human beings. They call it an oral stench. Our auras are stinky.
Yeah.
Aura.
Negative swinging waves.
Yes,
It's possible na yung personality or yung level
it's
ng
like
evolution ng
bad
tao,
breath.
it would appear to him na ganun nga. Kasi 'di ba,
Oo.
sinabi na rin dito sa mga daan nating nabasa na yung swinging waves, pag na-manifest, sometimes they're made of sense or made of sound
Yeah.
or made of
Mm-hmm.
some memories or so posible yes kasi baka yun ang sa side niya na doon siya sensitive, yun ang perception niya o na-perceive niya or naramdaman niya. Sa iba naman iba, mabigat ang
It's like,
pakiramdam o tumataas ang balahibo.
babalikan ko yung tanong ko, Delbert. Yung degeneration ba, inaalis nyo ang possibility na yung natutuhanan niya ay hindi nawawala, hindi na mawawala or
Yes,
mawawala pa
oo.
rin.
Ang nag-degenerate is yung ibig sabihin hindi ka maka-forward. Tawag dito. Ang gagawin mo, dadagdagan mo lang yung kabulukan mo, ganun. Pero yung mga past wisdom mo, nandun lang yung sa sorry spunk
Yun
yun.
na yun, na yun, yun na yun.
Ayun na yun, oo.
Okay.
Ang problema, hindi mo ma-retrieve yun, o hindi mo na tawag dito, subconsciously, hindi pupunta o ang impulse nun. Hindi mo wala kang magawang paraan na pabalikin yun. Kasi wala ka na doon. Humakbang ka na sa kabilang bakod, nandun ka na nakatira sa kabilang bakod, wala na magagawa yung creational energies at saka creational, wala ka na sa creational teaching, wala ka na sa study ng spiritual teaching. So walang progress, degenerate ka, nandun ka na lang lagi,
Okay.
nakikisabay
Okay.
ka na sa kabulukan.
So, in effect, para mo rin sinabi na yung wisdom is not necessarily, merong ganyang statement, wisdom is not necessarily dependent on age. Ibig sabihin din, kahit matanda na, kung hindi natutuhan yung certain issues, dadala-dala pa rin ng tao na kahit matanda na, yung unearned o learned knowledge. Dala-dala pa rin niya yung, kumbaga, yung something that has to be improved on. Meron pang dapat siyang i-process kahit matanda na siya. Kuha niyo yung point ko. Hindi ngayon at matanda ay may wisdom na.
Yep.
Okay.
Meron tayong kasabihan, di ba, na pag nahulma na yung paso, hindi mo na mababago yan. Yun at na yun na siya as a
Mabe-break.
personality for now or for that lifetime.
Okay.
Didn't they
Okay.
mention
Klaro.
age 40?
Oo nga, yung nakaraan natin. Age
Oh.
40.
Aga,
Limit.
katakot naman.
Pero may sagot din naman dyan. Hindi ngayon na beyond 40 ka na, wala ka nang maiipon. Pwede ka pa rin mag-ipon for the next lifetime.
Na meron ako obserbasyon sa mga bata at sa matanda. Naalala ko lang. Meron ko na-encounter na parang binuli yung ilan to sila eh. Sabihin, different places, different persons. Nung kita ko yung bata na kung iisipin mo, masakit sa kalooban yung ginawa doon sa kanya. Tapos nitanong ko, ba't ka lumaban? Pinabayaan mong ganun. Parang isip bata, palit-lit na bagay, ganun kaagad ang reaksyon niya. Tapos pag yan na ano ng katapat, iyakin naman yan. Naisip ko bata yun ha. And then dun sa matanda naman, sa inuman, naririnig ko tawag dito. I don't know kung sa age yun, sinabi, siguro nung bata-bata pa ako, wala pa akong pakialam sa mundo, patulang ko yan. Pero matanda na ako eh. Alam ko na ang mangyayari kung papatulang ko yan. So, ba't bayaan mo na siya? Isip naman yan. Hindi naman ako affected dun sa iniisip niya. So, it means to say, merong kakuting-ting na bagay na impulses na natitrigger something sa particular situation. Either physical confrontation or verbal or something gano'n na conflict yung situation. Pero in retrospect, nakapag-isip sila ng ganong wisdom na bayaan mo na. Ano ngayon kung gano'n ang isipin o isipin na sa akin, wala akong pakialam. So nandun pa rin siguro yung kahit sa sitwasyon natin na bugbog tayo sa negative things, ang hirap mag-evolve. Kahit man lang 0.01% dun sa 1%, nagkaroon ng konting evolution. Siguro, tama, sinabi na after several millions of years, magiging 100% din yun.
Meron akong experience relevant yan. Ah, ang sabi sa akin, oh, minura ka nga. Nadumihan ba yung damit mo? Nasaktan ka ba? O I mean, physically, nasaktan ka ba? Hindi. Ba't mo pa hinamon ng suntukan? Sabi sa akin. Putol ako.
Parang wala akong narinig.
Sorry, naputol ako. Ang point lang doon is, at that point in time, I haven't learned yet na baliwala naman pala yung mura. Kasi nung panahon na naapekto ako, nabawasan ng aking pagkatao ng mura. Hinamon ko siya. Alam mo kung sino hinamon ko, Delbert?
Sino? Naputol na naman.
Delbert. I was saying, hinamon ko ng suntukan yung traffic aid dahil minura nga ako. Kumasa. Hindi nabugbog siya. Pero ang natalo ako dahil sa pwede ko naman palang baliwalain yun. Hindi na ako nakapanakit. Kasi in the meantime, sakit din sa loob yung ma-realize mo na pwede ko naman palang baliwalain na. Ba't di ko ba binaliwala?
Two-edged sword yun.
Yes.
Kung hindi mo ginawa yun, hindi ka nag-evolve. Wala kang natunan.
Hindi ako nagkamali. Kaya ako nagkamali ako. Natuto ako yung pagkakamali.
Kung di ka nag-react na ganon, walang negative at walang negative at positive evolution na nangyari sa stage na yun.
Oo.
Flat lang.
Oo.
Pero gawa ng
Oo.
nag-react ka, nagdagdagan ng wisdom mo. Obviously.
Hindi.
Kasi
matutuhan
kung
ko.
hindi mo pero kung hindi ka nag-react, hindi ka nakapag-isip ng ganun. Which is very critical
Oo.
for that situation, or over time, pag sinumatotal mo, nakita mo na ngayon yung difference ng wisdom kung natuloy man o hindi.
Lesson learned yun. Nagastusan pa nga ako ron eh. Dahil umupa pa ako. Lumayad pa ako ng abogado. Kaya kayo, huwag kayo naghahamon. Baka kayo makapanakit. Huwag na lang.
Correct. O baka mamaya, di mo pala kaya.
Oo,
Naging mamon ka tuloy.
Oo.
Anong
Ang
palagay mo,
lambot-lambot mo pagkatapos
anong palagay
magbugbog.
mo sa akin, si Tore? Si Kuya JS lang yung matanda na yun eh. But anyhow, let's continue para
Thank you.
natin.
Thanks to learn.
Nasaan yung aking
Okay.
Cynthia,
beautiful sister?
All right. Yeah, I'm here. We're
Okay.
on page 592. Okay, question. Would that be the sense of these mental fluidal powers? Answer. Firstly and ultimately, the stored mental swinging waves Their energies and powers are there to promote and to evolve the entire mental block. This, however, for the time being, can only happen unconsciously and subconsciously, and only then be consciously the case when a consciousness based evolution state is reached, through which everything can be consciously coped with. Conscious connections to the mental fluid powers and their conscious use would require that a healthy, evolutively high mental power exists, which is used in full responsibility according to the creational laws. Yeah. Question. So that the human being can therefore simply somehow work out things in this life which were left behind at that time? Answer. In the case of the content of the formerly stored mental swinging waves, it concerns things which are still incomplete and can only be worked on by the mental block of the new personality, and indeed in the wise that the old is connected with the new and leads to a successful result. From the whole, a great benefit for the consciousness based evolution therefore arises. That is the only purpose? Is the next question. Answer. The mental evolution is the purpose of the exercise. Respectively, the formerly stored mental swinging waves, their energies and powers fundamentally serve.
Okay, tutuloy ko na lang yon. Fundamentally, the mental evolution is the purpose of the exercise, respectively, and formerly stored mental swinging waves. Their energies and powers fundamentally serve the evolution of the mental block, the equalizedness and harmony of the thought and feeling, the psyche and the consciousness, as well as the development of the personality and the character. So, yun lang yung portion na yun. And then, kukuhanan ko siya ng picture. So, if you can discuss that one and talk about it habang sineset ko yung page na to.
Mm-hmm.
Please talk about it and then isisend ko lang tong page na to.
Yeah, you know what? The thing is, I think it really all depends on your relationship to yourself, because if you're able to make that connection and actually uh, see the whole inside of you, then you would know that what really matters is what you think of yourself, not what anybody else thinks of you, you know. Then because some people that still are stuck on the lower vibrations. There's envy, there's jealousy, there's this and there's that. They don't see the whole picture. But if you are able to connect with your higher self, and you can see that within yourself, then you could also see that in other people. It will be reflected with the ones around you. And it won't bother you. Actually, you won't feel slighted, your ego won't get hurt, all these things. And because it's not, how should I say it? Yeah, it's like, for example, if you see the whole, it's like your whole body, right? Picture your whole body as the creation, no, creation, the being, you know, and you are just a cell, yeah, a part piece of creation. So if you're just sometimes a cell, you don't see the whole, the whole connectedness of things. Uh, but say, for example, that you are a neuron. You're like a uh more developed kind of cell, not just as skin cells or anyway, you are able to see the whole. Then there's no, what you would realize that it would be crazy for you to be jealous of your own foot or your, you know, or your brain or your finger, because you know that everybody is everyone connected, everyone can bring something to the table, no matter how lowly you think they are, you can still learn from them, you see. So that's my take on that. That's why there's no point to be jealous of some other people. If they're jealous of you, that's their problem, it's not your problem. So you shouldn't, um you know, be, they're free to think whatever they want to think. You're just like able to share, and you share, not so much or to gloat over something or what. You just share, I mean, anyway, that's my
For
take
me,
on that.
for me, I have this issue. Uh, if somebody have done bad personally, baga personalan na, I have problem uh, giving up, or it's not hatred, it's forgiveness. Sometimes there are very few people. It takes me decades to forgive and forget. Would you imagine that? Um, minsan isip ko, buhay pa ba kaya yung tao na yun? Napatawad ko na ba? Pag binakbalik-balikan ko yung naalala ko, parang may kaunting ano ah, ah, hurt o hinanakit or something, hindi mabitawan. Like you build a small cell or small prison, kasi kung hindi ko mapatawad yun, then hindi ako makalabas doon. Uh, I'm imprisoning myself for part of my personality na gawa dito sa uh, spiritual teaching, na na-realize ko na that's it. Kung itong uh, I don't know, personality ba to, or i-resolve ko to, i-workout ko to, kasi sa mga dating personality hindi na workout, dala-dala ko pa rin ngayon. Is it about time na talagang puspusan kong pag-aralan na lahat sila, ano ba tawag dito? Kung sa korte ba, pardon na lahat. Pero deep inside me, I still have the feelings na I don't know, I don't want to let go. Ayoko pa ring mapatawad o ayokong kalimutan. Pero kung balik-balikan ko, hindi na siya ganun ka raw ang inis ko. Kaya ano, tawag dito, sabi ko mukhang di maganda. Baka meron akong swing wave na nilalabas. Baka magkasakit yung tao or something. Well, anyway, naisip ko lang yun kasi dito sa nabasa natin. Thank you.
If only we can easily let go. Ganun sana eh. Kasi sa sarili kong karanasan, nangyari to very early on, pero hanggang ngayon, dala-dala ko pa rin eh. Talking of killing, initially, don't think na nakapatay ako ng tao. Ang napatay ko, 2 manok, saka 1 pusa. Pero patay sila. Yung 2 manok, pinasok ng isa yung area na pinagtutulusan ng fighting cocks ng tatay ko. Kababaeng tao ng manok. So, nagulo yung mga lalaki. Siyempre, lalaki yung mga yun. So, I got my rifle, I shot it, patay. The second time around, yung namang, well, nakatakas naman yung pusa naman, hinalmot ang nanay ko. Sumilakbo ang dugo sa isip sa utak ko. Nung araw na yon, nung mga panahon na yon, ang uso pang sapin sa paa, bakya. Nadampot ko yung isang piraso. Tinira ko sa noo, patay. Yung mga pangyayari yun, sariwa pa sa isip ko. Pero I came to realize na yung palang, mahalaga pala yung hindi makapatay ng nilikha. So when I was, at that time na meron akong permit to carry ng baril, I always bring it with me. Ang justification is, huwag kang luloko-loko sa akin at kung kailangan kong gamitin to, gagamitin ko sa'yo. Patay ka rin. Parang ganun ang dating eh. Na-realize ko, hindi dapat. Dahil yung daladala nung pangyayari sa tatlong mga hayop na yon, naging aral na hindi dapat na umutang ng buhay ng kapwa. Wala pa rin yung factor na natutuhan ko later on. Sabi, if you have to defend yourself from being killed, justifiable na pumatay. Ganun pa man, yung baril na dati kong hawak, isinurrender ko na sa pulis sa Krame. So, tuwan-tuwa yung officer in charge ko. Biro mo 45 na court commander yung gamit ko eh. May halaga yon. Hindi ako magtataka kung siya na mismo gagamit nun. At the same time, yung Winchester rifle na pinambaril ko doon sa mga manok, sinama ko na rin sa pag-surrender. So wala na akong baril. At tanong na lang paano ko ngayon i-depend ang sarili ko in case
Nawawala-wala ka, Kuya JS, or ako ang hindi lang makakarinig?
posibleng ako nagda-drop ang internet dito eh. Pagtyagaan nyo na lang. Pero ang sound quality ayos naman, di ba?
Okay po.
Yeah,
Okay.
it goes in and out eh. Hmm.
Wala tayo nang magagawa dyan eh.
So, kung,
Nag-automatic on and off eh.
okay, balik tayo
Anyway,
sa diniscuss ni Delbert kanina. So, parang nasa-sense ko dito sa 92 kanina, itong binasa ni Sister Rats. Ito ba yung wino-workout natin yung previous life natin mentally, seeing waves? Ito ba yung sa atin sa spiritismo, yung bang pinaniniwalaan natin na nagbabayad tayo ng utang simply because dahil meron tayong unfinished thingy sa previous natin? Ngayon, parang kasi ang iniintindi ko dito, pinapaliwanag dito na kaya nga ang tanong niya, that is the only purpose. So, ang pinapaliwanag niya, mental evolution ang pinaka ine-exercise nito kasi nagwo-workout daw, sabi dito, in the case content formerly stored mental singing waves, it concern things which are still incomplete and can only be worked on by the mental block of the new personality,
Correct.
So, yun yung nasakyan kong inaano ni Delbert na pinag-aaralan namin sa espiritismo, Kaya para bang inaalis natin dito yung terminology lagi ni JC sa atin na may pinagbabayaran tayong utang. Kung hindi pagbabayad utang, kundi wino-work out lang natin yung mga incomplete thingy natin ng para sa mental evolution. Ito yung
Gawin natin basic yung analogy.
Mhm.
Tawag dito, sa college lang ang tawag is tawag dito, incomplete ba? Incomplete subjects. Babalikan mo yung thesis, i-resubmit mo ulit
Mhm.
hanggat sa makumpleto, maplansya na siya. So wala kang binayad na utang. Nagkaroon lang ng incompletion. So hindi ka yung professor or yung tawag dito, yung creational energy mo nung ibinalik, merong pang thesis na kulang. So sa personality, kumbaga sa college, paglabas mo sa campus, di sa next semester, di re-enroll mo ulit yung subject na yun para makomplete mo na or masubmit mo na yung incomplete mo na thesis. And then, although yan ang pinaka general idea, but this will take a very long time. Kahit maliit lang yung bagay na yun na incomplete na yan, it might take you 10 personalities or 100 personalities dahil crucial sa doon yung present personality which is may emotion uh, at lahat ng mga stimuli nandyan, lalo pa dito sa mundo natin na tagtad ka ng nakakalitong bagay at puno ng mga bulong-bulong at mga brainwashing. Ang hirap, pero more or less yan yun. Thank you.
Okay.
Matter of semantics
Ay.
lang talaga eh.
Si
Saka
Kuya.
sa pangkaraniwang unawa natin sa dati natin naririnig, may utang tayo, pero hindi utang. Dapat hindi utang, kundi kulang. Meron pang kulang na dapat punuan. Hindi, wala namang nagpapautang eh. Sino magpapautang sa'yo? Kundi, sino ba magsasabi na kulang ka ba? Kundi yung sarili mo. Sino ba magpupuno? Wala namang iba kundi ikaw. Kapag napunuan mo yon, yung kakulangan mo, meron kang meron kang dapat pagbayaran, kundi meron kang dapat matutuhan.
Or pwede natin sabihin, Boss Jun, ganito, na ano mo na nahakbang mo na, pero it needs improvement. Hindi pa atras, bayad utang. Nangyari lang is
Hindi
it's
ka pa
well
nakakaus.
done, but it's not yet perfect. You still
Oo.
have to, you have to work on it. Parang
Kaya
gano'n.
yung sinabi mo sa thesis na deficiency ba yun? Ano bang word ang ginamit mo? Incomplete. Appropriate yun. Incomplete eh. Kulang eh. Hindi dahil sa may utang ka dun sa professor mo, kundi kulang yung sinabmit mo, kaya may kulang. Kaya hindi ka papapasa.
Oo, kaya naging incomplete. Kaya sabihin, binagsak ka. Pero actually, hindi ka binagsak.
Pwede.
Hindi ka pumasa. Or hindi ka naka-graduate doon sa part na yon. So,
Exactly.
I think si
Kaya
Kuya
matter
Ray
of
gusto
semantics.
mag-share sa atin. Go
sige,
ahead.
go ahead.
Go ahead,
Yeah,
Kuya Ray.
completely agree sa inyo dalawa, no? Parang maganda yung example, yung thesis na hindi natapos. So kailangan yung other personality siyang magtatapos. Or it can be completed by the creational energy na umalis sa'yo, and then maaring meron ng knowledge dun sa taas na nagkatagal siya dun sa sa labas sa itaas on the other realm. So maaring ikukumpleto niya yon, or maaring hindi niya kumpleto. Then it needs to be evolved. It needs to go to other personality kasi kailangan pa niya yung knowledge in this sphere, ito sa ating sphere na to. Napakaganda ng analogy na yon. And of course, pag nakompleto na yon, previously it is a knowledge, and then afterwards, halimbawa nakompleto na ng personality na it will become a wisdom. So yun yung higher level of knowledge and skill. It becomes a wisdom. Anuin ko yung prayer ni Nicodemo, ano? Para at least maano natin yung goal niya, no? Yung goal ng prayer ni Nicodemo na pwede kong sabihin, ano? Where true I am able to recognize and resolve the committed errors, nagkaroon ka ng pagkakamali, which befall me on the way of my development. So isa sa mga prayers ito yung the first ano yung seven sentences na prayers niya, going back to sentence number 3, your almightiness your almightiness, kasi prayer niya to doon sa kanya creation and energy nasa sa kanya eh. Your almightiness shall become conscious distinctness in me, in my body, in all creational energy realms. Let your almightiness be effective in me daily and unfold itself and nourish my knowledge and wisdom. Number 5, where true I am able to recognize and resolve the committed errors. Ibig sabihin, ikaw ngayon, na kailangan malaman mo at ma-recognize mo yung errors mo. Marami tayong example kanina na yung marami tayong nagkamali, ano, which befall me on the way of my development. Kaya tama yung sinasabi na we are all on our way to the development. Ngayon, doon sa isang ano na nakapatay ka ng hayop o whatever, may purpose 'yon. There is a purpose. Hindi lang naman hayop na yung malalaki. Kasi marami din tayong pinapatay na lamok eh. So all of them have a creation and energy. No? They were developed, they are created with an energy, creation and energy. So lahat yun, there are reasons, no? There are reasons para isa example sa arahat at tersata na yung isang hayop kailangan ding mamatay because there is a reason. At yung isang sobrang mang bait na hayop, hindi naman nakakabigay ng development, there is an evolution for it na maaring siya ay mawala, no? Para magkaroon din ng evolution ang ating ano yung ating this earth and everything on the in the universe. Yun ang aking thoughts, ano. That's my additional points of view on my own thoughts.
Very well taken, Tokayo.
Okay, Sister Ed, naliwanagan na natin yung portion na binasa mo kanina. Thank you nga pala, Delbert. At nabalikan kong basahin kasi doon sa pinaliwanag mo kanina, mas lalo kong nasakyan siya. Let's continue. Sin, paki-unmute, Sin. Cynthia. Wala na.
Swinging wave na.
Nakatulog.
Oh no, I just had to move the icon. See,
Okay.
I couldn't find it there. Okie dokie. We're on page 594. Okay. Evolution of the mental. Yeah, you read that already. The next question is, if he or she in his or her life mobilizes such mental fluidal powers, does it then not have to be that spooks appear there where the mental fluidal powers are stored that can also take place silently? Answer: the rule is that with an activation of the formerly stored mental swinging waves, no manifestations appear, but rather that these are only very rare phenomena. The whole thing, therefore, normally takes place without any visual or acoustic phenomena, because the rule is that the information of the stored mental fluidal powers is not used for visible or audible manifestations, but rather purely only for the purpose of learning and to progress mental evolutively. Oh.
Yung pala yung
So,
sinasabi na mabilis, highly evolved dahil yung progress niya sa mental evolutively walang patid, walang stagnation, continuous progress.
yep. Anyone else want to comment on that?
Parang mahirap, parang ang tagal mangyayari, ano?
Yep. Yeah.
Baka parang yung ano mo yung kasabihan na sobrang lasing ka, one step forward, two step backward.
Yeah. One step forward, two steps back.
I don't think
Well,
may backward. Parang siguro lang ano yan, tawag dito, yung bang pag naglalaro ka ng piko, na pagtalon mo ng isang forward, then magpo-pause ka, tatanungin mo, step? No, parang ganun, step, yes. Kasi 'di ba wala naman sa usapan ang magiging back ang ano kundi ang progress pa forward. So maaari ka lang stagnant or sa yung pagkakahakbang mo naka-flat ka lang, hindi ka pa nag-aano kundi walang walang pa back ata. Yun
So,
ang
ibig sabihin, this personality, one step forward. Yung dalawang next personality, stagnant. Ang next
maaari
progress is one step na naman yung
forward.
fourth personality, one step na naman siya. Yung sumunod na fifth and sixth, stop na naman. Parang ganun.
Oo,
Ang tagal
maaaring
tagal
step
mabuo.
yung piko, larong piko siguro. Kaya matagal kasi merong nag-i-stagnant talaga. Hindi mo naman masabing step ng cha-cha kasi ang cha-cha back and forth. Lalo hindi naka-forward.
Hindi ka magkakabahay sa piko pagka hindi mo na-check yung progress.
Yeah. Ang sarap naman ninyong humanap ng mga logic.
yeah, I like,
Napaka-broad na ano. Kasi nagiging mas lalong malinaw ang isang pagpapaliwanag pagka nalagyan nyo ng ganon. Na, oo nga no, na parang
Huwag kang,
masasabi.
huwag kang mag-alala, green-minded kami.
analogies. Analogies are good.
Okay,
Mhm.
let's more make these things clearly. Next question.
Okay. Okay. Is it
May I add?
actually? Oh, yes. Yes, please
Yeah,
do.
yeah. Yeah, kasi dito ano, parang sinasabing hindi ipapakita sa iyo ng fluidal energy or whatever yung ano. On a physical ano manifestations ano waves or it will appear to you on a picture no. It will appear to you yung manifestation it will appear to you in a mental knowledge no. Kaya halimbawa tayo pinanganak tayo, iba na yung physical natin. Iba na yung katawan natin. Dati yung knowledge, yung skills dati ng katawan mo is carpenter ka o kaya ikaw ay ano, ngayon, yung progress na ibinibigay sa'yo is mental lang. Mental. Kahit na mayroon kang skill ng pagpiano before, kaya lang yung katawan mo hindi naka-align kasi yun nga yung last sentence ano the for the purpose of learning and to progress mental evolutively. Iba yung katawan, yung physical, doon sa mental. Yung mental mo, yung talagang boksingero ka noon. Pero yung galing ng isip mo, nakuha mo before, pero pag gumalaw ka, iba yung physical mo eh, iba yung katawan mo na eh, payat ka. Eh samantalang dati ang ganda ng katawan mo. So that's my point dito sa ano no, yung difference between the ano yung progress of mental evolution. Nagkakaroon ka ng mental evolution but not on physical evolution dahil iba yung dati noon at iba yung sa ngayon. That's my point. That's my take on this question and answer.
Parang si Hawkins.
Uh-uh.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah,
just
pero ang
thought about that. Okay.
pinag-usapan dito is kung yung ah yung mental swinging waves at saka yung i-recover mo dun sa buto or something. Ang sabi dito is kung magmamanifest siya, mag-appear siya, pero bihira, para siyang nagmumulto or may mga nakikita siya o naririnig siya, hindi as a rule, hindi daw yun ang nangyayari. Kasi dito sa next question and answer, ang sinabi is, yung dati natin pinag-usapan na yung ibang mga, may mga tao na gawa-gawa nila yung sarili nilang multo. Like, ano bang word doon? Stigmata. Tama ba? Yung, kunwari may butas ng pako yung mga kamay, si Father Pio, yung ganong klaseng ano, tawag ito, gawa, yung manifest na negative, gawa niya sa sarili niya. Walang progress doon. Kapag kaintindi ko dito, the progress ng question and answer.
Mhm.
Ang antibay talaga ng Mike of Thought, talagang yan ang malaking bagay sa pamumuhay natin. Yan ang ating dapat na pag-ibihin, pagbutihin, yung palakasin ng ating isip. Yung muscle, pwedeng hindi eh. Kasi there is such a thing as muscle memory. Yung dati mong buhay, ganun ka. Pero dito sa bagong buhay mo, hindi ka na ganun. Hindi na pareho yung muscle memory. Dexterity-wise, stamina-wise, maraming basis, pero hindi nakapareho ng dati. Thank you.
Mhm. Okay. Anybody else? Okay, we'll proceed to the next question. Is it actually the exception when there is a haunting? Answer. If through formerly stored mental swinging waves, their energies and powers, a spook is triggered by a new personality in the current life, then it is mostly the case that the block is created in a thought and feeling based manner, in a form which gets very badly out of control of the good human nature. That's ausatung, okay? Which therefore goes beyond the normal and beneficial, thereby a demolished psychical and consciousness based state. Any occurrences of memories, etc., of that currently living human being plays the decisive role which triggers the manifestation. So it's like that's like there's such a thing as positive and negative Ausartungen, which is that term very badly out of control of the good human nature that we have to watch out for.
Alam mo, inulit ko ng 2 beses ng basa, hindi ko pa rin masakit. Meron bang gusto magpaliwanag?
Ano
Oh, well,
hindi mo maintindihan?
the next question I think might make it clear, because the next question is it because he or she is very involved with his or her thoughts and feelings? Answer. The state of the thoughts and feelings, as well as the psyche and the consciousness, are decisive. And indeed, with the respective human being who is again or still in the current life.
Yun nga, pinakamalapit kong naisip dyan is stigmata.
Mhm.
Hindi mo lang niloloko sa sarili mo, naloko mo pa buong sambayanan. Bandang huli, walang essence at walang makukuha doon, kundi belief system lang. Pero dito, this one involves in one's personality lang. Kumbaga, nung kinonect niya yung present personality, yung mental powers niya, nung kumonek siya dun sa lumang swinging waves sa mga buto, tinanong dito kung pwede bang magkaroon ng spook o multuhin niya sarili niya.
Ghost.
Multuhin niya sarili niya. Sabi dito, it's very rare. Pero pag ganito, talagang giba yung psyche nung pagkatao, thereby demolish psychical and consciousness-based state. So, buhol-buhol lahat yun. So, siguro sinabi dito, nangyayari, pero yung personality na yun, pag once nangyari yung na-trigger yung manifestation na yun, ay bull talaga siya. Di lang sinabi dito na after the next personality, kailangan i-resolve niya yung ito. Yung sumunod dito na personality, i-resolve niya to kasi medyo nagkaroon ng glitch yung niya, programming niya or kung ano man yung dapat niyang matunan o hindi natunan dito sa pangyayaring to.
Wasn't there a case, I think, that was mentioned when there was supposedly a haunting, like there's this little girl that kept going out somewhere in this house somewhere, but it happened when the older woman who was actually, I think in a dream state or something, was affecting that, because I think that was her in a younger, when she was younger, but she's still, since she's still alive, she was giving it like a I guess energies when she was going into like a dream state or something like that. I read that somewhere. Somebody, and do you recall that case? I think they were referring to
Yeah,
it.
pero ang situation doon was that tama yung manifestation was made by a living personality, and
Oo.
then yung fluidal energy yung past niya sa
Oo.
same
Personality.
panahon ng same personality, but it happened in
Oo.
a different place. I mean, the one manifesting it was on another place, and
Oo.
it occurred somewhere in a place in the past of that person. Meron
Right.
nangyari.
Right.
Dito kasi meron kasi merong hindi binanggit dito eh. May sinabi lang na hindi magandang mangyayari. Merong tinago dito, pakiramdam ko. It's either it involves tawag dito.
Hmm.
Hindi natin dapat
Violence.
matutunan or malaman tungkol degeneration or communicating, sabihin natin, communicating with the dead or something like that, para kung may mga na-trigger man, ay kung meron mang medyo curious dito, magbuo sila ng grupo para mag-eksperimento at tingnan ko ano mga mangyayari patungkol dito. So sinabi lang dito na tawag dito, plays a decisive role which triggers the manifestation. So siguro sa sumusunod na question and answer, it will be filled up.
Yeah, I think, you know what? In the introduction to the meditation, they were talking about that we could actually create thought forms. The mind, our material consciousness can create thought forms that will add to the energy, so that it's almost like it brings it to life on its own. That's the kind of alarming part that I remember. Yeah, you know, when we were talking about it with Vivka and Scott and Piali, when you know, translating it into English. That's another thing why it's, you know, you shouldn't be actually dabbling and trying to get hold of dead spirits or what, or you know, there are certain really old houses that have manifestations only because of all those uh you know, forces, and that plus the people that come there, they bring energies and enliven all those what thought forms that more or less can also you know, cause harm to unaware beings. Uh,
Yes, Boss Ray, raise the hand.
Yeah. Uh, I always think of everything. Ano, yung swinging waves are programs. Source codes ang instructions. Ano, that, parang ano, yung program siya, source codes na if there then else, no? Yung sa programming kasi ng ano no, ng mga programmers, mga computers, no? Ang swinging waves para sa akin are programs. Lagi kong iniisip lagi yan, ano? Ngayon kung halimbawa yung program naka-store doon sa isang yung buto, no? May program diyan eh. Nandoon yung program na yun. Ngayon biglang mayroong ibang yung kanyang energy, power, those are programs, ano? Kasi may power din ng program. It can pwede niyang makapag-animate, no? Pwede siyang gumawa ng sa computer, no? Makapag-animate siya ng tao, no? Ngayon kung ito ay triggered ng isang bagong personality, nagre-reprogram, pinoprogram niya uli, no? May biglang pumasok doon na makulit, no? Gumawa ng another program doon sa bones na nandoon, nangungulit, nanggugulo, no? So yung block na created doon sa thought and the feeling based manner, magiging out of control. Kasi nga maaring mali yung pinasok mo, maaring ginulo mo siya, nananahimik yung program na yon, naglagay ka ng virus, no? So magkakaroon ng kaiba, masisira yung program mo, magugulo yung computer mo. Magkakaroon ng yung animation mo na ginawa dati magiging magulo. Yun ang aking thinking lagi sa ganito, no? Yung na dapat yung pwede mo dapat na magamit yung kanyang program na nandoon naka-store na po pwede mong makuha yon, no? Para magamit mo as your stored knowledge. Kaya lang ginugulo mo, mali yung program na pinasok mo, kaya magkakaroon na magiging out of control yung human nature, yung ano na yon, good dapat ang gamit doon, kaya lang nasisira, no? Kaya yung kanyang mga memories na doon nagiging magulo. No? So yun ang aking thoughts, ano? Kaya halimbawang mayroon tayong may haunting na ganon kasi mayroong nanggugulo eh. Mayroong virus na ipinasok na hindi dapat tama. Na dapat nagamit mo yun o na positive yung swinging waves na nandoon, dapat yung energies and powers na yun ay dapat nagamit mo on a proper way doon sa current life. Yun ang aking thoughts about this, ano? Always yung aking iniisip palagi is program yun eh. Parang AI, ano? Artificial intelligence yan. At pag halimbawa hindi tama yung program na ginamit mo o yung may existing na program doon tapos pinasok mo yung sariling program na hindi nakamatch o hindi iba yung language mo, iba yung language niya, magiging out of control yun, hindi magiging tama. Yun ang aking thoughts, ano? I hope na ano nyo yung aking as a programmer at the same time.
no, I really appreciate that. So it's like garbage in, garbage out is what you're gonna
Yes,
do.
it's programming.
Panggulo lang.
Copy, loud and clear.
Yeah,
Kaya
that's very nice, very good.
Kaya pag may pumupunta doon sa isang bahay, ano, tahimik siya doon. Ginugulo mo, no? Kung ano-ano pinagagagawa mo doon, gusto mong maano siya, and then syempre magugulo yun. Samantala kung pwede mo siyang i-tap yung knowledge na yun on a proper way, no? You can tap the knowledge na sa kanya kasi may swinging wave siya doon eh. Mayroon siyang program eh. Unfortunately, pumasok doon, virus ang nilagay mo, aba, di lalong manggugulo yun. Aawayin ka talaga noon. Kasi nga, siyempre, meron siyang sariling wall. Meron siyang sariling wall na ginulo mo. Siyempre, pag may sariling wall, makikipag-away yun. Kasi kakalabanin niya yung program mo, at saka yung program niya, at saka yung program mo. Kaya mag-aaway yun, and then magiging magiging haunting yun. No? Parang ah, magmamanifest yung kanyang waves, yung kanyang program. Lalabas yung, baga sa computer, lalabas yung kanyang picture, no? Lalabas yung program niya na actually talagang picture yun. Yung parang napanood natin sa, ano ba yung movie na, yung mga futuristic movies na pag pinindot mo, nakikita mo yung animation niya. No? So, ganun ang, actually, yun ang aking laging thinking. Kung bakit mayroong mga ganyang klaseng, it's an animation of the swinging waves na ginulo, no, na dapat hindi, at dapat nagamit yun on a proper way, nagamit at natap yung kanyang swinging waves, nagamit yung kanyang knowledge, skills and wisdom na nandoon on a proper way. At para mawala yon, siyempre ang ginagamit natin is sinasabi nga ni Billy ito sa ating mga nababasa, how will you remove it, how will you refine it? Siyempre by water, of course, by ano ba yung mga yung mga amoy, yung mga scents, no? Para yun yung panlaban, pang antivirus, not actually a virus, it's not a virus. It's a wisdom, it's a knowledge, it's a waves, it's a computer, those are computer programs, those are source codes na nakakapag-create ng animation. Kumbaga sa computer natin, meron tayong source codes na nakapag-animate tayo. At hindi makakapag-animate kung wala source codes. Ngayon, pag halimbawa may virus, mayroon siyang wall, guguluhin ka talaga, no? So that's my take, that's my analysis on the about the hauntings and about yung mga multo na yan. No? Those are source codes that has been animated because of the problems na pinapasok natin. Ginugulo natin sila. Mayroon silang sariling wall, kaya huwag natin silang guluhin. Gamitin natin sila on a proper way. That's my thought.
Okay, so ibang Ray naman. Kuya
Yes, thank
Reynaldo.
you. Susuportahan ko and nagdadagdag lang ako. Ang bawat programming line, may logic yan eh. Yun yung sinasabi ni Tukayong Ray na if, else, what, then, kapag kayo sinunod yung instruction na yon, magkakaroon ng result. Anong tawag dun sa result on a per line basis? Action or output or next step ang pwedeng maging reference dyan. So therefore, ang palagay ko, ang ng kapayo ko, ay mayroon ding mga output, however deficient or however incomplete they are. So yung mga incomplete, yung mga vague, yung mga false, yung mga wrong, yung mga illogical, doon pupunta eh. Kapag may illogical output, yun yung pwedeng sabihin glitch. Pwede rin sabihin na virus. Especially so kung i-introduce yung illogical terms. So napasukan siya ngayon. And mamanifest lahat yan, logical or illogical, depende sa kung anong ilalabas na output. So kung ang babasa noong result ng programming on a line per line basis, makikita niya yan. At kung ang total programming naman ang titingnan, yung talagang work, yung total work, either mag-stall yan or will put out a wrong result overall. Ganon din yung naiwan sa mga buto. Experiences yan, mga dots and dashes na
Unresolved.
encounter
Unresolved.
unresolved, and therefore wala kang makukuhang result doon. Ang tawag diyan hanging programming. Magkakaroon lang ng loop yan. Kung saan nagmula, babalik lang doon.
Error.
Walang
Error.
magiging result. Error yan or illogical action. So therefore, dahil tayo palpak sa ating mga former lives, wala tayong pwedeng asahan kundi mga palpak na outputs. At yung mga palpak na outputs na yun, pagka pinag-manifest ng present life, wala tayong makikita kundi palpak. Ano ngayon ang obligasyon ng present life? O di pakinabangan niya yun, saan bang line ito nagkaroon ng error? Saan ba naging illogical? Saan ba mali? Ano bang mali ang dapat itama? Yun ang proseso di ba? Para maging successful ang programming, papasadahan lahat yung instruction lines na yun ng programming, kung alin doon ang naglalabas ng error or illogical result or unexpected results. Hanggat hindi yun napaplantya, ipaproseso pa yung program. Ano ba tawag doon sa incomplete ang performance ng program? May term yan pero hindi ko na makuha hindi ko sinasabi ko dahil expert ako. Ang sinasabi ko lang, I'm using logic na kung may mali ang output. Mali ang programming, may maling output. Yun lang ang akin. Thank you.
Tama yung sabi ni Tokayo. At plus, yung sinasabi garbage in, garbage out, sabi ni Ate Cynthia. Kaya talagang kung halimbawa hindi natin, kaya tayo ang tutulong, kaya tayo ang makukuha natin yung yung naka-store doon na swinging waves makukuha natin yon. At pag nakuha natin yon, we have the responsibility as a new personality to correct, to arrange, to align, to reprogram on a proper language. Kung halimbawa bago na language, kailangan itama para yung error na yon na sinasabi ni Tokayo maitama. At pag naitama natin yon, that's it. Wala na siya. Wala na yung haunting. Kasi na-correct na. Kung minsan nga sinasabi na dapat pag nailibing na yung buto, may minsan 'di ba yung mga ganyang sa Catholic or Christians pag nailibing na buto, nakita na yung kanyang katawan, nakita na yung buto, nailibing, napagdasalan na. So they say it's already done. Everything is already one way is yung mga pag-aari niya, yung kanyang buto is yung nagiging haunting, yung 'di ba yung mga salamin o kaya damit. So nandoon siya, yung kanyang source code, nandoon yung program kasi parang computer yun no? Nandoon. Ngayon, pag nakuha natin yun, naiayos natin yung program na yun, through, of course, yung sinasabi ni Billy na through tubig, sa tubig or sa and those are baga sa antivirus. Yung tubig, yung mga ano pa ba yung yung scents, yung bango, yung
Sage.
Yes. So
Sage
using
or other
those are antivirus para refine, matanggal yung mga swinging waves na negative swinging waves kumbaga sa Christianity, Catholic. Although those are positive swinging wave na kung pwede mong matap, may knowledge ka at saka wisdom na kukuha doon. So yun ang aking take. In addition to si Tokayo mukhang may alam din sa programming So napakaganda nung kanyang yung kanyang analogy din That's a simple programming. So thank you.
Dali lang itama yan.
So, following along those lines, the thought crossed my head following that analogy logically. Then the new personalities, we as the new personalities, are the updates that will take care of like bug fixes on the program. Diba?
Wow.
We have
Wow,
yeah,
that's another
that's
additional analogy
yes.
na napakaganda.
Yes, we are the updates. So the new personalities, that's why we have something to contribute to the whole, to the whole of for everyone. Add to creation and its evolution, the program, the master program. So we are the updates.
Upgrades po.
Upgrades up, yeah, like an update, we see that, you like, for example, yeah, upgrade, right? But then like, I'm talking only about the phone because I'm not really an IT expert. But what I'm saying, when, like, for our phone, you have to constantly up they're called updates anyway. For consumers, you have to do that, otherwise you'll be behind and still encounter the same sort of bugs. So you need the something that'll get rid of those bugs by making sure you constantly do do it on your phone or on your iPad or computer too. Yeah.
Sa akin, madali lang
There.
i-correct yan. Simulan natin sa pagko-correct na dapat correct ng tama. Tama ang oras natin pagtatapos. Dapat nasa oras na tayo ng pagtatapos
Good.
para ma-correct
Wow.
natin yan.
I like that, Ate Zor.
Biro na.
Always on
Wag
time.
wag muna, late tayo nag-umpisa eh. Bawiin natin.
Nabibitin.
Humihirit
Ano
pa.
natin na i-correct yung bagay na yan? Hindi kayo nagsidating ng tamang oras. Pagkatapos ngayon,
Sila.
tama ang oras
Pati.
dapat ng pagtatapos, humihirit kayo. So,
Hindi
dapat
na,
ngayon
Mas
pa
masarap
lang,
ang bitin.
hindi
dapat pa
na-update yung
lang,
Filipino time. Dapat
makukorek
i-upgrade
natin yung
yun.
sarili natin. Pag sinabing alas 5 tayo mag-i-start. Di ba? Simpleng
Mas
bagay lang yan. On time, hindi natin
Oo.
magawa eh.
We
correct.
should be like
Yeah.
Switzerland. Oo, on time like the Germans.
Ah,
Ate
That's
Zor.
right.
ang hirap kausap ng mga
Are,
Pilipino
are
kasi
you
palibhasa Pilipino
making
tayo.
promises that you intend to break or promises that
Hey, we're
Yan ang
on time,
kaligtaan
ha?
ng Pilipino kasi.
Okay. Yeah,
Promises
see you
always
again.
broken.
Wait, we have to remember what page did we end para we'll
Yan,
remember
naglagay
again.
na ako ng ano sa book, yung book.
594.
Sa chat, we should put it in the chat so that we can remember.
Yan, nilagyan ko din
594.
ng ano yung bookmark ko. Don't worry.
O sige. Maraming salamat.
Okay, good night and good morning to everyone.
Hindi kasi
Salme.
wala pa ako talagang tulog yung
Bye-bye.
kasama ko dito, naghihilig.
magandang
Ah,
buhay.
4
yeah,
hours
it was
na
so
kasi
much
ako
fun.
gising. Thank you
Thank
very
you for
much.
coming. At least we reached
Discussions.
number 7.
Okay.
Salamat. Oo, sige. Bye. Salome.